Hey everyone, I want to take this opportunity to make a short review about Rotora brakes, big brake kit on the e93 BMW 335i convertible, because I have not seen any reviews of users, and so hopefully this will help you out if you're thinking about buying a kit and comparing prices and what potential performance gains versus a super expensive Brembo kit. I've had this front brake kit on my car for almost 3 years, and I gotta say the performance is noticeable. It's very linear, and it's very it gives you a better sense of braking confidence and control of the car than a stock and performance kit does. Rotor forged brakes are rear biased, and so I'm not getting the full benefits because on my car I've got in performance rear brakes and Rotora front brakes. Ideally I should have both Rotora front and rear, but you know, I had bought the in performance first, so I didn't want to spend again just to match the pair. But eventually I think really I'm gonna go with the Rotora rear brakes too whenever I get a job again. But anyways, it comes with a two-piece true floating rotor design, and you can see here, you know, this is two separate pieces. So that means, what that means is, you know, you first install it and then you'll go for a drive, you'll put on your brakes or you put on your accelerator and you'll hear this click click. It's because, you know, that's totally normal because these things are separated things so that you can change the rotor out and keep the hat. So on a true floating design, you will hear more clickety-click noises upon when you're braking and accelerating and stuff like that. So that's normal. But yeah, performance is great. Very controlled, very linear, very predictable. The build is awesome. Beautiful colors. That comes with, I think it comes with red, blue, and black. You might be able to get other colors, but you'd have to call them direct and ask if you want a custom color. And it's quite thick, as you can see. It's pretty thick. And you know, as big as this is, it was actually a pound, or yeah, it's like a pound lighter than the stock and performance or sport brake caliper. And I lost a few pounds using this rotor off of the even the ECS lightweight rotors. These rotors are lighter than those, and you can certainly feel the difference in agility after you install and you know, start driving it. So these brakes, awesome value and for the performance you're getting, and in my opinion, the price alone is thousands of dollars, a couple of grand less than Brembo brakes. And I just can't imagine Brembo brakes performing $2,000 more than these awesome set of brakes. It's very difficult for me to imagine justifying $2,000 above the price of these, because these are awesome brakes, and I highly recommend them. Anyone that owns a 335i is wondering, hey, you know, I want to know from a user what you think of it. Well, I'm here to tell you I really recommend these, and you know, they're nice people. I mean, you might need they're custom made, so every time you order you have to wait a few weeks because they have to make them as you order them. But you know, just know that coming in and you'll be fine. But you know, with this COVID stuff coming around, it might take a little longer. Just have a talk with them and make sure you guys are on the same page. And you know, I'm not getting paid for this review. I just thought that I've never seen a Rotora user review on a 335i, so I decided to post one up quickly for you, and I hope this helped. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to help me out grow this channel. Thanks a lot, guys.